Hello everyone, welcome to German Lingos. In this video, you will be learning various terms related to seasons. The word for seasons in German is Jahreszeiten. Once again, Jahreszeiten. Are you ready? So, let's begin. Die Jahreszeit, die Jahreszeiten. Once again, die Jahreszeit, die Jahreszeiten. If you find it difficult to pronounce a German word, you can break it and pronounce it easily. Ein Jahr hat 4 Jahreszeiten. Please listen carefully. Ein Jahr hat 4 Jahreszeiten. It is very easy to learn seasons in German language. Let's check them out. Der Winter, der Winter. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. Der Frühling, der Frühling, der Sommer, der Sommer, der Herbst. Once again, der Herbst. Always use preposition in with seasons. For example, if you want to say in summer, then you can say in Sommer. If you want to say in spring, then you can say in Frühling. Mein Lieblingsjahreszeit ist Frühling. Once again, mein Lieblingsjahreszeit ist Frühling. My favorite season is spring. The word Lieblings means favorite. Tell me in the comment section, what is your favorite season? Was ist Ihr Lieblingsjahreszeit? Was ist Ihr Lieblingsjahreszeit? The word Ihr means your. Now let's do a quick activity. I will show you a picture and you have to guess which season is this. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Here is the first picture. Can you guess which season is this? The answer is der Sommer. Der Sommer. Let's see the second picture. Which season is this? The answer is der Winter. Once again, der Winter. Let's move on to the third picture. Which season is this? The answer is der Frühling. Please repeat after me. Der Frühling. Here is the fourth picture. Can you guess the season? And the answer is der Herbst. Once again, der Herbst. Let's quickly revise what we have learned today. Please repeat after me. Jahreszeiten. Jahreszeiten. Der Winter. Der Winter. Der Frühling. Der Frühling. Der Sommer. Der Sommer. Der Herbst. Der Herbst. I hope you have very well understood the names of seasons in German along with their articles and pronunciation. To know more about German, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.